We got called out on this lawn because it's a Bermuda grass fescue mix, and the fescue is just looking really rough right now. We had a lot of rain in May, and then June came and we turned off really hot, really dry, with quite a bit of wind. Today's really calm, but we've had a lot of wind, which will dry out soils really bad too. Upon further investigation in this lawn, trying to take a soil sample out of it to check moisture, the lawn's just really dry. Now I realize most of you don't have a probe to pull soil samples out of to really look at moisture. But one of the coolest things you can do is as you walk across the lawn to see if your footsteps actually bounce back from where you're standing. As you look here, where I can step there and then step away, if you watch that for a few minutes and the grass doesn't pop up, that means there's just no moisture in that grass. Now this right here, it looks to be dead, and the tips are, but when you look down in the canopy, there's actually quite a bit of green tissue still there. This grass is still, you can still save this, it'll still survive, but you need to start getting water on it now. If your soils aren't taking the water and it's just running off, you might look into starting to take our soil conditioning program that has a wetting agent inside that mix.